Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today I am going to share one of the information about AI assisted manuscript writing. So this is a 10-day workshops which is scheduled from 2nd of January 2024 to 12th of January 2024, and because this is an online workshop, already I have mentioned it. And this workshop, if you go through the detail about the workshop, this is 10 days detailed online workshops which is especially designed to empower all the researchers across various disciplines. It may be from management, social sciences, humanities, science, engineering, biological science, medical field, everywhere. So this AI assisted manuscript writing, it is a combined fundamentals of the manuscript writing, editing process, publication process, and as well as the reference management, referencing of the manuscript, where you will learn the use of more than 20 different AI tools, and that tools, how to use those tools, how these tools is going to help you for your manuscript writing, editing, and publication processes. So this workshop is your gateway for leveraging artificial intelligence to enhance your research productivity, because whenever we are going to use artificial intelligence, normally our productivity enhances, it increases. This workshop, if you'll see their location, because its location is online, so anyone can attend from the any place as per their convenience. So no need, means that is not an issue. Location timing is 8:30 to 10 p.m. in the evening as per Indian Standard Time. And if this time is not convenient for you, you can get the recorded video links for some of the time, sometime. So recorded video will be available for a limited duration for everyone. So this is well planned, as well as the it can be, everyone can get registered and everyone can get the, either directly you can participate, or you can get the recorded video. Now who can attend this workshop, means for whom this is more applicable. So any students from any field, master students, PG scholars, PhD scholars, postdoc, early career researcher, or any young budding faculty who have an aim to for start writing scientific writing, and they or anyone who is normally associated with the editorial processes. So any person, any researchers from any field like life sciences, medical sciences, social sciences, pharmacy, biological sciences, management. So anyone, this is applicable for everyone. Now, if we'll see who is the resource person is Dr. K.S. Soumyarani. She is PhD, and she is working as a editor at the Editage Cactus Communications. Now, I have given contact number, mail ID for Soumya, and you can directly contact to her. You can directly linked with the Soumya on the her LinkedIn page, that also I have given you. She is having a more than 5 year of experience with 3 year of associated at the Editage. She has edited more than 1,500 different scientific documents. It may those scientific documents can be means like it's research papers, review articles, or different other kind of forms, theses, grant application, annual report, or different kind of communications. From last 6 years, she is having given so many different kind of works of different kind at many places. Like she has given her presentations, this AI assisted tool on scientific writing at NIT, IIT, and many other places. What is the detail about the workshop? If you'll see, this I have already told, this is a 10-day workshop. So a detailed plan for all the 10 days has been given here, where 1 day break will be there and 9 days you are having workshop. So it starts with the reference management tools, and then you will have learning of the 20 different tools, and slowly you will go through all these processes. Now, if we'll see where you can register it, you can register at this website. This is the web link for the registration, and the fee for the workshop is 3,500 rupees for 7 days workshop, or it will be 70 USD. You can pay by using this QR code. And if you will see the objective of this workshop, what is the objective, why this workshop is important. So this workshop will equip participant with the essential skills in the manuscript writing and editing process, publication processes. It also introduces them to the transformative potential in art of artificial intelligence in the scientific writing and the communication. The learning outcome at the end of the workshop, every participant will demonstrate proficiency in the crafting high quality manuscripts, If the participants will acquire a comprehensive understanding of the publication process and effective strategy for the successful manuscript submission to the journals, to the editorial office, and their acceptance. Participants will also identify and evaluate 20 AI tools in scientific writing. So, this workshop will help different participants in different field. Either it will be writing, referencing, editing, as well as the publication process. So, I should suggest everyone should register in this workshop and get equipped with all the AI tools which help you to increase your enhance your efficiency as well as the capability. So, because the workshop is going to start from the 2nd of January, so you can register as fast as possible. So, this is all about for today. Hopefully, you have liked the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.